Each year as a coach, you face new challenges as you begin the process of trying to develop a group of athletes into becoming the team that they're capable of being. That said, great teams are player-led, not coach-led. One problem many coaches have to deal with is their leaders don't understand all that's involved in being the type of leaders that they want to be and the type of leaders that their coach needs them to be. As a coach and a former multiple team captain, I've been down that road. I'm Jack Williams, and I'm excited to briefly share with you some information about my newest program designed specifically for athletic leadership teams. I've learned as leaders and coaches that you can invest time on the front end being proactive, establishing clear understanding of expectations, standards, and culture, or you can spend that time on the back end being reactive, dealing with player-related issues. I can tell you from personal experiences, it's far more productive to spend that time on the front end. That's where our Create Your Edge program comes in. It creates a player-led culture. There is no extra work for the coaches. In fact, it takes work off the coaches and provides a self-guided training tool for your player leadership team to develop the type of team that they want to be a part of and reach their team's full potential. The program consists of 7 short video modules for the leadership team members to go through and complete the exercises. The videos provide a detailed step-by-step process to help your leaders develop the confidence, the competence, and the game plan to lead and create the expectations, standards, and culture needed to optimize performance. What do you get as a coach? You get a stronger, more confident group of leaders, a team that holds itself accountable, the right culture, and less time managing issues and more time coaching, and ultimately better performance. Every coach and team are looking to create a competitive edge. Our program will play a critical role in helping you do just that. Hope you'll get started with our Create Your Edge program and begin to watch the changes take place with your leaders and your team.